Today we are making delicious Pakistani-style fried fish recipe. Ingredients: fish 4 to 6 fish fillets, 1/2 inch thick of firm white fish, pomfret tilapia, spice mix, 1 tsp cumin seeds, 1 tsp coriander seeds, 1 tsp red chili powder, 1 tsp garam masala powder, 1/2 tsp black pepper, 1/2 tsp turmeric powder. Marinade: 1/2 cup lemon juice, 1/4 cup yogurt, 2 cloves garlic minced, 1 tsp ginger paste, 1 tsp cumin powder. Coating: 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup cornstarch, 1/4 cup gram flour besan. All vegetable oil for frying. Instructions: prepare fish. Cut fish into desired shape. Marinate. Mix marinade ingredients. Add fish, cover and refrigerate for 30 minutes. Spice mix: grind cumin seeds, coriander seeds and red chili powder in a spice grinder. Coat. Mix coating ingredients. Remove fish from marinade. Coat evenly. Fry. Heat all in a deep frying pan. Fry fish until golden brown 3 to 4 minutes per side. Drain. Remove fish. Place on paper towels to drain excess oil. Serve hot with Pakistani-style chutneys or Raita yogurt sauce. Optional variations: Karachi style, add 1 to 2 tsp of chaat masala to spice mix. Lahori style, add 1 to 2 tsp of lemon juice to marinade. Spicy, increase red chili powder to 2 tsp. Crispy style, add 1 to 2 tsp of cornstarch to coating mixture. Nutrition information: per serving for pieces. Calories: 250 to 350. Protein: 25 to 30 grams. Fat: 15 to 20 grams. Saturated fat: 2 to 3 grams. Sodium: 250 to 350 milligrams. Tips: use fresh fish for best flavor. Adjust spice level to taste. Don't overcrowd frying pan. Serve immediately for crispy exterior and tender interior. Here is an approximate calorie breakdown for Pakistani-style fried fish. Per serving, 4 to 6 pieces. Calories: 300 to 450. Protein: 25 to 35 grams from fish. Fat: 20 to 30 grams from oil and marinade. Saturated fat: 3 to 5 grams. Sodium: 350 to 500 milligrams. Carbohydrates: 10 to 15 grams from coating and marinade. Fiber: 1 to 2 grams. Sugar: 1 to 2 grams. Factors affecting calorie count: fish type: thicker fish like pomfret increase calorie count. Coating thickness. Frying oil quantity and type. Marinade ingredients: yogurt, lemon juice. Portion size. Popular Pakistani fried fish variations with approximate calorie counts. Karachi style fried fish, 350 to 500 calories. Lahore style fried fish, 300 to 450 calories. Spicy fried fish, 320 to 480 calories. Crispy fried fish, 380 to 550 calories. Healthier alternatives: baked fish, 150 to 250 calories. Grilled fish, 120 to 200 calories. Air fried fish, 200 to 300 calories. Lighter coating *, use whole wheat flour or reduce coating quantity. Nutritional benefits: high protein content, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, good source of vitamins B12 and D, antioxidant properties from spices,